In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve image quality in Canva AI. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, enhancing the quality of your images can make a significant impact on your projects. Let's dive right in and simplify the process of using Canva's AI tools to bring out the best in your images. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you haven't done so already, you can do this by heading to Canva's website and logging in with your credentials. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly tool, so once you're logged in, you can either create a new design or open an existing one that you're working on. To get started, upload your image to Canva. You can do this easily by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar and then selecting the Upload Files button. Navigate to the image file you want to enhance and upload it. Once it's uploaded, it's time to move it to your canvas. Simply drag and drop the image onto the blank canvas or the design you're working on. Next, click on the image on your canvas to select it. This action enables additional options specifically for editing the image, which is crucial for enhancing its quality. Once the image is selected, look to the top toolbar and find the Edit Photo option. Click this to reveal a host of photo editing features that Canva offers. Now turn your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option called Auto Adjust. Click on this feature. It's a fantastic tool provided by Canva's AI that intelligently adjusts your image's quality. What the Auto Adjust feature does is analyze the image and makes quick yet impactful enhancements to contrast, brightness, saturation, and more, giving your image a fresh and improved look. After choosing Auto Adjust, you will notice an intensity slider appear. This slider allows you to fine-tune the degree of adjustment applied to your image. It's a great way to add a personal touch and ensure the enhancements align with your aesthetic vision. I recommend you play with the slider to achieve the desired look you want. Moving it to the right will enhance the intensity of the adjustments, while sliding it to the left will lessen them. The beauty of this tool lies in its simplicity and the control it gives you over the final output. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can effectively enhance your image's quality using Canva's AI tools. Tweaking image quality can transform your design and make your visuals more engaging and professional. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it adds value to your design projects. Remember to keep experimenting with different adjustments to discover what works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy designing.